Environmental sciences is an area of study where we really pride ourselves on the amount of field work that our students do. But because we're challenged with the season and snow and those sorts of conditions, a couple of years ago we decided that we would do a field week. And this would be a way to get students out during the day and get a bunch of different instructors involved and have every one of our diploma majors be out in the field. And it's an opportunity to go on long travel day trips, to be able to do short field trips, to do things that we'd normally do in a lab, but be able to do it continuously for a week so students would hopefully integrate the things that they're learning.
I have always wanted to pursue my #1 passion, and it was kind of tough to figure that out. But with my outdoor school program in high school, it helped me understand what I really care about, and that was nature and the environment.
So the idea behind the Field Week originated because as instructors we were having difficulties. By condensing it in a week, it means that labs that might have been spread out over 6 weeks or 8 weeks or even 12 weeks, we were able to condense, say, 3 or 4 of those labs on one day.
I think the hands-on experience, it's just like it's the 3rd week of school and we're outside for the whole week doing lab field week. So it's not like paper and pen writing tests, it's very hands-on in the field, and I don't think you'll get that anywhere else.